Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have announced giveaway. To participate in the giveaway you have to follow 3 steps. 1. Like. 2. Share. 3. Comment. In this giveaway we will give $100 worth SafeMoon token to 10 random lucky subscribers, so make sure you subscribe from all devices. To get benefits of giveaway. Winner will announce on the 1st of December. There are millions of cryptocurrency traders in this world who make digital currency a most important part of the financial world. This time we want to explore FTT token, which is getting impressive attention among the various other cryptocurrencies in the market. Currently, the FTX token, FTT, price rises with the amazing surge. The price of the token matters a lot because there is a huge number of traders who invested in this token. Now at this moment when we write this report, the price of the FTX, FTT, token is $46 and possibly it will rise in the upcoming days. The whole report is about the price of this token and price prediction, including charts analysis and forecast. FTX Price Prediction. Recently we all have seen a terrible fall in the price of this token. But now the market healing itself, and as a result Bitcoin, BTC, also doing well. The traders back to the market again, and as a result, every digital coin and token is getting surges in price. FTT Price Prediction 2021. In 2021 the coin is serving amazing results, and currently, it is traded at $58 value. Initially, no one can assume the success of this token, but now it's like a miracle. By the end of this year, the price will hit the $100 value definitely. FTT Price Prediction 2022. Moving towards the year 2022. The FTT token will reach the target of $90, and there is no doubt that if the trading of this token is rising the same as the current, then it will reach a good level. FTT Price Prediction 2023. As per the prediction, the FTT token will hit above the $100 target. As we all know, no one can predict actual price because it is the market, and the market runs with the current situation all over the world. For the good performance of the market, it is essential that the situation is good all over the world. FTT Price Prediction 2024. The price of this token will hit above $150, and if the development of this token goes well, we will see amazing results from it. The charts also indicating the best which will appear in the upcoming days. FTT Price Prediction 2025. Currently, the extreme target of this token is predicted as $200. It is not so difficult for this token to reach a $200 value. The investment in this token may be a good option. However, it absolutely depends on your and our prediction is not the actual price.